In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable work breaks in Hubstaff. Whether you're not new to Hubstaff or just looking to optimize its features, knowing how to set up work breaks can make tracking your productivity and staying organized much easier. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. The first thing you want to do is navigate to your Hubstaff dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a sidebar with various options listed. Click on the one labeled Settings. This is your gateway to managing and customizing your Hubstaff experience. Next, after you've entered the settings menu, you're going to look for another tab called Policies. These settings allow you to manage how work and breaks are tracked in your organization. Go ahead and click on Policies to see the options available to you. As you navigate through the Policies section, you'll notice an option specifically marked Work Breaks. Click on it. This section is dedicated to helping you structure breaks within the workflow, whether for health, productivity, or legal compliance. Now that you're in the work break section, you will see a button that says Add Policy. This is where you can start creating customized break policies for you or your team. Click on Add Policy, and you're on your way to creating a more flexible and productive work environment. Once you're in the Add Policy interface, the next step is to type in a name for your policy. Make sure it's something clear and recognizable, perhaps the name of your team or the specific workflow this policy applies to. Naming your policy clearly will help you and your team remember its purpose and guidelines. After you've got your policy name sorted, you'll need to fill in some details. This can include specifying the duration of the break, the conditions under which it can be taken, or if it's paid or unpaid. Tailor these detail fields to best meet the needs of your team or organization. Remember, the more precise you are here, the smoother everything will run. Finally, once you've entered all your details and double-checked the information for accuracy, you'll find a Save button. Click Save to ensure your new break policy is stored and activated. Hubstaff will then start applying this policy automatically, allowing you and your team to take advantage of well-deserved breaks. And that's it! You've successfully enabled and configured work breaks within Hubstaff. By following these steps, you're not only helping increase productivity, but also promoting a healthier work-life balance. If you have any questions or need additional help, feel free to explore Hubstaff's resources or reach out for support. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.